How to fix picture-in-picture not working on YouTube. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can resolve issues with YouTube's picture-in-picture mode on your iPhone. So this tutorial guides you through steps to enable and troubleshoot PiP for seamless multitasking. So let's get started. First of all, you're gonna head over to your settings and here you're gonna click on General. So once you click on General, you're going to scroll down till you find the option of Picture-in-Picture. So simply click on it, and this is basically Start PiP automatically. If it is toggled off, you wouldn't be able to use it on YouTube. So if it is toggled off like this, you can simply toggle it on, and then you're going to head over and use your YouTube, and you'll be able to use PiP on your YouTube. After toggling it on, the next thing that you're going to do is go back, simply go to settings, go to the search bar and type in storage, or you can simply go to general and over here click on iPhone storage. And over here, you're going to search for YouTube. So once you find YouTube, what you need to do is simply offload the application. So here is YouTube. You're going to click on YouTube, and here you're going to click on Offload App, click on Offload, and once you do so, you'll be able to see a reinstall button over here. So simply click on Reinstall. So once it is reinstalled, you'll be able to use picture-in-picture perfectly on YouTube. So that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.